Tired of messy note-taking and having a hard time going through your notes when you need them? Well, Notion is here to save the day. Notion is a powerful note-taking web app. But to unlock its full potential, you need to have a system. And that's where my Note Manager template comes in. It may look simple, but that's the point, a simple and useful template. A less complicated note system means less stress, more motivation to take notes, and makes it easy to find information later on. In this video, we'll explore all the amazing features and sections of this template that will help you stay organized at work and in life. The first thing you'll see is the handy navigation section. It lets you quickly jump to different parts of the template, making it simple to find what you need. This feature works really well when using the template on the Notion app on your phone. Below the navigation, you'll find an Add a New Note button. This button is designed for easy access and also especially when using the template on your phone. So no more scrolling all the way down to find the note sections. Moving on to the Notebook section. On the left, you'll see the Notebooks database with a gallery view. Each notebook has its own single box resembling the sidebars of computers and apps. On the right, you'll see the Notes database with 4 different views. The first view is the inbox, where you can quickly save information without organizing it right away. If you want to categorize a note, click on Edit and select a notebook. The second view is the gallery view, which displays note entries with content previews. Notice that archived notes are not shown in this view. Then we have the Manage view, which is a table view that lets you edit database properties and do bulk actions like deleting multiple notes together. Lastly, there's the Archived view, where you can find inactive notes that might come in handy for future projects but don't require regular access. Within every notebook, you'll find notes belonging to that specific notebook. You can easily switch between the Notes, Archived, and Manage views within the Notebook database. If you want to add more sections to a notebook page, you can simply create a navigation section at the top of the page for easy use on your phone. Now, let's take a look at the Note page. Each Note page provides database properties such as the notebook it belongs to, the ability to attach files, and the option to archive notes. You can also see the created and edited dates of each note. In the demo, I made 4 types of notes for your reference. Another useful feature is the sticky notes. These are perfect for jotting down quick reminders and to-do lists. Add a new sticky note with a single click, and you can even customize the color of the sticky notes to your liking. Lastly, we have the Note Templates section. Here you'll find links to pre-designed database templates for quick viewing and editing. Instead of going to each database to edit default templates, you can now access them in this section. To create your own default pages, copy the template link, go to the Note Templates section, click Add a Template link, and paste the link. Then select Mention Page. That concludes our tour of Small Wins Notebook Manager Notion template. You can find the template link for this awesome note-taking system in the description down below. I hope it will be incredibly helpful and save you a lot of effort if you want to give it a try. Happy organizing! Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!